Hi, thanks for choosing Sibe and welcome to our latest update video. I'm going to go through a few things that are in our latest update. First thing I want to talk about is we continue to work on our architecture behind the scenes, and we've made some updates that you're going to see some more speed improvements. We've been waiting a while to add these as we got existing customers to convert over to some of our latest versions of our add-in. Now that that's all happened, we've moved ahead and you'll see some great speed improvements. Second that you're going to see is a billing extrusion. So when I switch this over to a different workspace, you can see you can now add support at sibe.io, and that user will be excluded from billing. So if you ever need us to do some help or look at some things in your vault, you can simply add us and we'll be happy to join in and take a look for you. And then also within the vault we have added copy design, which if we look at some files here of what we want to copy, you're going to see copy design here, and you'll see that we also are of course adding drawing support for this as well. So if I'm going to add the mounting base and the assembly here to add a new set of files, I could do that real quick and add that and then copy these files to create a brand new assembly. So I would have my new assembly, and I could see the references from there and my new assembly with the mounting base. And those are the changes in the workspace. In the add-in itself, you're going to see that we removed the changes tab. Now everything can be done strictly from the vault tab. You're going to see all your top level folders listed here in the vault for some improved navigation. You're also going to see that all the caching, whether it's auto cache, clearing cache, open the local vault folder, or caching the files, has all been moved to the vault tab. That's been removed from the settings tab just to clear up the notification. Once in a folder, also we've modernized and cleared up some of the tools in here. So you've got all your buttons across the top. You see that we've already added the description column that you can turn on and off. The tree view, involved view, etc. That all our icons are there. We've added the search, the ability to sort by column as well, just by clicking on it or choosing sort from here. You can also filter by SolidWorks files only or files checked out by me, and there's a changes filter as well. If you filter to something that doesn't match any criteria, you're going to see that little note here, and you can just clear the filters to get back to the file set. We've added multiple buttons here to go through and check out the files that you want. Right, and unlock those right from the vault tab, so you can do multiple files all at once. You're going to get that with a right click as well, so you can check everything, uncheck everything. You could do that with multiple files. Everything's going to be listed right here. We've added the lock and unlock file as well to this user interface as well. So coming through now and making all those changes, is real simple to get through everything. And let's go ahead and make that standard change here where we change the material, go through, make my changes, save everything, go through the drawing, update my revision, get back to my assembly, hit save. We're still getting all the same custom feedback there as well, and you'll see that. And now we can come back through add my notes, and I've got all my buttons there. The changes filter, you can see now there's a little circle there with the number of changes that I made. I can click on that filter to just have the files that have been changed added, and I can go to check that in. You'll notice that we've added buttons for checkout. All the buttons are there for you, the lock and unlock, etc. The references tab is have all that removed, so it's nice and clean as well on that side. But now that I can go through and check that in, you see how quickly those 3 files get added to the vault. It's done, and we're all set from there. And that's it for this release. We appreciate you, each and every one of you. So thank you for being our customers, and to those that are about to come aboard, thank you to our future customers. Thanks for choosing Sibe.